getting stuck in a super terrible tractor truck under the overpass? What is this thing that's so big? It must be as big as a passenger jetliner. It's terrible. The car. The super-tonnage tractor carried it anywhere, causing traffic jams there. Moreover, it was stuck under the viaduct, which seems to be the railway section where the 32 Dien Street is located. Oh, if it goes into the inner city of Hanoi, it will cause a traffic jam in the whole city. It's scary to see it. If you have any comments, please comment in the comment section so I can send them to the driver. If you watch the channel Tyrant Truck, please click the channel registration button below to watch many interesting videos.